My name is Mae Run. I head up customer services at Run for Wales. We're an event delivery company. We organise running events across Wales. But we've committed ourselves to obviously improving our Welsh provision. All our signage is bilingual. Our online form has a little tick box to say if you want your race number to say Cymraeg badge on it.
Mae defnyddio'r iaith Gymraeg yn hollbwysig a mae'n naturiol ac yn bersonol I fi fel Gymro. Cynllun Llywodraeth I fi gael miliwn o siaradwyr Gymraeg erbyn 2050. Gweld o gwmpas mewn busnesau fel digwyddiadau fel hyn. Mae'n ffordd naturiol o gael y iaith Gymraeg I gael ei siarad.
We want to encourage the national language. We've had good feedback off runners. We strive really hard to send out a positive message that we're proud to be Welsh.